Nice one. Oh, you found a worm?
Yeah.
Let's see.
It's right there. Right there.
Oh, that's a...
He's not biting us.
Nope, he won't bite you. That's a big worm.
I like him.
You like him?
Peter. I like him. It's my hiding spot. I tapped him.
Oh, don't step on him.
Why?
Because it will hurt him. Don't step on him.
Why?
Well, because it will hurt him. Shoot your rocket off. Nice one. Luke, can you shoot your rocket off?
Yeah.
You guys want to do a race?
Yeah. Wait, set, go.
Wait for Noah.
Woo, cool.
Yeah, put it on and then you can race Noah. I'll say on your mark, get set, go, okay?
Me.
On your marks, get set, go. Good one.
We can do it.
Okay.
Right, set, go. Oh, the yellow one. The other one. And this one. Another one. Oh, the other one next to Noah. Next to Noah.
Yeah, you can have that one.
Ready, set, go! Whoa, that yellow one. But this is the big one. It's just set, go! Whoa.
Nice one. Do you guys like your rockets?
Yeah.
Are they pretty fun? Pretty fun.
Right, just go. Whoa.
Go push it back down.